next test that I'm going to do is an emissions test. The emissions test, we use an emission tester, microwave leakage detector. To do this, we will place a cup of cold water into the microwave. We'll set the microwave on for 2 minutes. We'll allow the microwave to heat the water up for a minute, and then we'll use the tester. The tester should be no more than 2 inches away from the surface of the microwave. What I use 3 fingers. That sort of distance there we're looking at for testing the microwave. When we do test the microwave emissions, we fill in an emissions, radio frequency emissions check, and we put the emissions, we check that the interlock is working okay, which we've done, test date by, retest date normally 12 months later, and we also check the fuse. So now we'll press the power on and we'll check the emissions. We can move this. By moving it, sometimes you will get an excessive. The maximum amount of what we've got here is 3.76 milliwatts per square centimetre, so that information is placed on the label. 3.76. The interlock has been checked. The test date is today, which is the 20th, by myself. The retest date is next year, 22. And then finally what we'll do is we'll check to make sure that the fuse is the correct fuse. In this case here, you can clearly see it's a 13 amp fuse, which is what it should be. Enter that information on the label and we'll stick it onto the machine.